Brushing tool, you want right click and you will select something like this. Then press paint. There's so many options. This is the blurring tool, and if you want to blur this first, then just right click and select the size and the hardness. Select the brush, just selection tool, you can easily select this pictures. Then press refine edge and new layer with layer mask. This is how it works. Hello guys, welcome to the YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to remove the background in one tap. So first click the magic eraser tool. There should be a some option and you have to select magic eraser tool and click. This is how you can easily erase the background. Right click and you will see the eraser tool. Then if you want to delete this part of this body, then you can easily do it by you can do it like this. This is how the razor works. The cropping tool, press right click and you will see the tool like this. If you select border, select like this. You have to click and then click and click here and edge section right there. This is the magnetic tool and you can easily select the very difficult images.